Number 5. Simp-free folding treadmill. Treadmill design is meant to help you to save up to 58% space for storage. Meanwhile, we also designed this machine with manual incline settings. To burn calories more effectively, we specially programmed 12 different running settings. Help of soft drop system, you don't need to worry about damaging floor. 1-year quality warranty for frame and motor. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 4. Bowflex TC100 Tread Climber. Combines the motions of a treadmill, a stepper, and an elliptical for an easy. Just walk and burn up to 2.5 times the calories of a treadmill at the same speed. 4 electronic functions: speed, distance, time, and calories. Speed range of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour. Built-in USB charging port. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 3. 3G Cardio Pro Runner Treadmill. Built-in heart rate interactive plus monitor. 3.0 horsepower continuous duty DC motor. 5-year parts warranty. Treadmill belt size 20.5 x 58 inches. 350 pounds max user weight. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 2. Soul F85 Treadmill. Treadmill offers an industry-leading warranty and a proprietary cushion flex whisper deck. 6 standard programs, 2 custom programs, and 2 heart programs. Cooling fans and MP3 compatible sound system. Includes the following manufacturer's warranties against defects in materials. A proprietary cushion flex whisper deck. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 1. Precker TRM 211 Energy Series Treadmill. Maximizes stress reduction on your joints by giving the optimal amounts of underfoot cushioning. Loaded with helpful workout features scientifically designed. Health Club quality workout at home. Smooth, stable, reliable, and durable. Digital touch sensor. Please check out the description for details and update prices.